Welcome to ItzRafiq. Have you ever noticed how websites pages are look so attractive and beautiful? How they catch your attention? For example, YouTube page, Instagram page, Facebook page, how they attract you? It's all just because of using CSS. If you see through archive, if you go to the website of earlier late 2000 or during 1995 1998 like that, you will see the web pages are totally plain, only black color text, white color background and blue color link and nothing else. But after that, when CSS developed and CSS improved, then the decoration or the style of the web pages are also improved. CSS, fondly known as Cascading Style Sheet, it is a simple language to design your web page. It's control the style of a web page, and also it provide feature that can be include within HTML, or it's improve the capabilities of HTML. As we know, through HTML we can represent the content. By using CSS we can decorate or design the content. Advantages of CSS. CSS play an important role. CSS simply specify the repeated style of element once and we can use multiple times. Okay, for example, suppose I am using paragraph tag or p tag multiple times, 10 or 15 times in my page. So that style for the paragraph I can define just once and I can recall it again and again. I don't need to write it multiple times, so it will save my time. CSS also, when I have a website, I will have multiple pages, then I can write all the CSS command in a file and I can link them and it will work, and by that also we can save time. Also, when we want to design change the design or look of a website, then we don't require to change the HTML files. We will just change the CSS file and the design and the look of the web page will be changed according to that. It is and it is less complex than by when we design a web page by using HTML attributes and all. You will see it's most difficult, and also it is very difficult to maintain. When we want to change the web page, the whole website's web pages, then if we add the style in an attribute, it will take much time to change it. But CSS we can do it easily. Syntax. While we are writing syntax, we have this part, selector. This is actually the tag. After the selector we will write curly braces, then we will write property, it is equal to the attribute, then we will write the value, it's like attribute values. And sometimes a tag have multiple attributes. Similar way in CSS a selector might have multiple properties. So if we have multiple property, we will put semicolon, as we write in for loop to separate the statements. Here we will use semicolons to separate the properties. After that we will write the next property, then the values, and this together, property and values make together declaration. Remember it. We get three type of CSS. Inline CSS that we add inside a tag. So let's have an example. We will open Notepad here and we will write a simple tag. Let's close the previous documents. We will write a simple tag, HTML, then head, then title. Title is CSS, title close, then head close, then body, here h1, introduction to CS, h1 close, then we are starting a paragraph P, then we'll write here we will learn about inline CSS, then P close, body close, and HTML close. We'll save the page. Now in inline CSS we add the style inside the tag. We don't write the command, means this is useful when we want to apply the style just for a single element. We don't want to add that particular style to all the elements, just that particular single. Then we use inline CSS. Suppose we have two paragraphs. Again one more P. There are three type of CSS, then P close. Now I have two paragraphs, but I want to add the style only to the first paragraph. At that moment we will use inline CSS. If we use internal or external CSS, then the same rule will be applied to the both of the paragraph. For that reason, first we'll see how the output looks. We'll save the page. We'll go to the desktop and open the document. This is my output. You can see the text color are black and the background is white and no more else. Now we'll put style for the first paragraph. So we'll write style, means after the tag name we'll add one attribute. That attribute name is style, and inside the style attribute within inverted comma we will write all the property that we want to include. Suppose here I want to include color. So color I am writing as blue, color colon, and also you have to remember while you are writing CSS you will not put equal sign. Instead of equal, colon sign. Color colon blue. If you want to add background color, then you can write background dash color. Suppose background color I am setting as yellow, and what we can do, we can put border also, 1px solid black. Suppose all my commands are properties are done. Here I have added three properties: color, background color, and border. These three properties I have added. Suppose all the properties are finished, whatever I want to add, then we will close the bracket. Now we'll save the page. We will reload the page here in browser and you will see the difference. So this is my paragraph, and the style is applied only in the first paragraph. There is the style is not added in the second paragraph. We can also give padding. So this you can see. Now if I want to add different style in the second paragraph, that also we can do. So in second paragraph again we will come, we will write style and whatever we want to add. Suppose I want to add background color. Background color, let it be red, and color yellow. And save. We'll go to the page and reload it. So this way we can add different style to that different means multiple elements. But if we want to add same style to the multiple elements, then it is recommended to use internal or external CSS. Otherwise we will have to write the same thing again and again, so it will save time. This is example of internal. Now we are going to do inline, this is an example of inline CSS. Now we are going to do internal CSS. So we'll cut it, whatever style we have applied. We'll keep only paragraph P. Here also we will keep only P tag. We'll remove the style part. To add internal CSS, we generally write in head tag. Inside the head, after title, we write style, type, here text, CSS. Then we will also close style, because if we don't close now only, sometime we used to forget that we have to close it, and after that we might get error. So it's better, it's a good practice to close the tag before only. Now we want to style the paragraph, so we'll write P, then P is the selector, bracket. Now we'll write the properties, what we want to add. Background, this color, background color name, whatever we want, let it be yellow. Then color, let it be red. Then we can give padding. What padding do you will learn later, 10px. And border also we can give, border 2px, or border radius, it will give rounded border 5px. Then bracket, inverted comma close, we are not writing inline, here we are writing internal, that's why bracket is closed. This style is applied to the paragraph. Now we will see the same style will be applied to the both of the paragraph. So you can see the same style is applied to the both of the paragraph. Now suppose I want to change the background color for the whole page, then what we will do? For that, what we'll do, we'll here after P or before P we will write body will be the selector, and inside that we will write background color. Background color, whatever color we want, suppose black, and color white, and bracket close. So two properties I have added, background and color. So this you can see, background color changes to black, text color changes to white for the whole document, but these two paragraph this style is not applied because I have already assigned different style for these two paragraph. Now for heading also, suppose I want to add some style. For that, our selector will be h1, as our tag is h1, and inside it whatever we want that we can write. Suppose I want to write put the text in align, so we'll write text align center. Suppose I want to make it underline, so we will write text decoration underline, and I want to make the text in some other color, so color lime, and bracket close. Now you will see the difference. The text appear in center, it is underlined, because also color changes to light green. So this way we can write internal CSS. Now what if we have two pages, then and I have to apply the same CSS, then will we write CSS two times? No, we are not going to write the CSS two times. We will write CSS externally and we will link it. So what, we will cut the CSS command from here, we will also remove style part from here, and here just will link my CSS file. Link, we will write link rel style sheet. This is external. Style sheet ItzRafiq. Here name of the style file. Suppose my CSS file is style.css. Done. After that, bracket close. We will do only this much part, and we'll take a new file and we will paste this command whatever we have applied for the document. Now we will save the file. File save as. We'll give the name as style.css. I already have, so we'll override the file. Now if I reload the page, you'll see the same style is applied. Now how will know the changes, whether it changed or not? So we can put it here something like in heading. We can put border, to px dashed yellow. Now let's see. I have given the changes only to the style file. See, in HTML file I have done nothing. Now if I reload the page, it's not applied. Let's go and check what's wrong there. Spelling is wrong, border. Save, and let's reload the file. Still not working. I think border attribute might not work with heading, so we will make some other property, text transform. Now you will see here introduction to CSS, it is written in sentence case. I want to make it capital, so we'll write text transform uppercase and we'll save it. Now if we reload the page, save. If we reload the page, nothing is coming. I think there is some mistake. Let's see. Link rel style sheet. So if we reload the page, you will see the difference. In p tag, the text changes to capital letters, so I think I have done this property to the paragraph tag. Let's see. Yes, this is applied to the paragraph tag, but I don't want to add it to paragraph. I want to add it to the h1, so we will write this line in h1. Now we will see, when I will reload the page, the paragraph will come in sentence case and introduction to CSS will come in capital letters. So this is done. So this way we can add external CSS. I hope you have learned basic concept about CSS, about inline, internal and external. In exam comes difference between this internal, external and inline. So you'll write in inline we use when we want to add the style into a single element. Internal we use when we want to add the same style to the multiple element in the same document. And external when we want to add the same style to the multiple web pages in a website, or maybe in a other side of the website. So this way you can write the differences. Also you can give syntax, as I have written the code, like that way you can write. In next part we will discuss the question answers of the part 1, which is introduction to HTML and CSS part 1. And some of you are asking about preparation for pre-boot practical, so soon we will make it. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.